Hello everybody, today I'm doing another one of my art videos and I'm going to be showing you how to do paint strips in your drawings like this. So this is just a scene of a tree with a flower and a bird and some hearts down at the bottom. I'm making this picture to go with a quote that I'm going to hang on my wall in my room that says, "To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. In this room we live." So I am going to write on top of this with Sharpie, but first I want to do some watercolor work. So I don't know if this will work with anything else. I do know that this will work with watercolor. So like, don't be going and using acrylic paint and being like, this doesn't work. So from what I know, it only works with watercolor, but if you want to use like acrylic paint or something thicker, then you might want to do something where you use like acrylic paint, but you thin it out with some water beforehand. So let's get right into this. So all you're going to need is some watercolor and a paintbrush and some water. So I'm going to be doing this magenta color. I got this mini paint palette. It's a Faber-Castell paint palette that I got from my friends. Okay, so you're going to get a big glob of paint and it needs to be really wet. And you're just going to put it at the top of your thing like this. Now if it doesn't already start dripping, that's fine. You can see my dot is right there. It's already kind of starting to drip. I'm going to put it down though so you can see the effect. And then you're going to get your paintbrush wet with water. And then you're going to hold it up and put the water on it. And wow, look how fast that's going. It's dripping super quick. And if you want to shake it, then that makes the line go quicker and thinner. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple more of those, talking about the steps as I do it. But really, this is like a super simple one. So I'm going to go in with the magenta again, get a whole bunch on my paintbrush, and put it down. Now once I have a whole bunch on my paintbrush, I'm going to get some water. I'm going to put it on my glob of paint, and it's going to start dripping, like that. So I'm going to do one more for you guys, and then I'll be done. Let's shake it. And if it doesn't go down, then shaking it also makes it go quicker. You might want to have like a mat down or something though, just in case it drips off the paper. Okay, here's my very last one. Get lots of paint on there. Put it down on your paper. Get your paintbrush wet. Hold it up and put it on the glob of paint, and boom, going super quick. Shake it. And once you want the drip to stop, you just lay your paper down and it will stop. Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye!